Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2014 Chevy Cruze LT, stock number Z7533XX. Only 37,000 miles, and this Cruze comes to us with a clean auto check history report, black granite metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. Very safe vehicle as well, 5-star front and side government crash rating, seats 5, leather interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Spacious trunk. The wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And not only low miles, but very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Easy to read gauges. Again, only 37,000 miles with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen MyLink infotainment system. For radio, it's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones with Pandora and Stitcher radio app. And there's of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for radio and CD player. Heating and air conditioning along with heated front seats. 6-speed manual transmission. Storage in the armrest with USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect mobile media devices. And a spacious glove box with the owner side. Under the hood, this Cruze has a 1.4 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 138 horsepower. And very clean under the hood, as you can see. Excellent fuel economy, EPA average of 26 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 38 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires and new brakes. For more information on this Cruze, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.